All right, let's jump right in. We're going to be looking at a tool that honestly does something most of us have only dreamed of. Turning all that digital clutter, messy notes, long reports, random PDFs, into clean, organized, and super useful spreadsheets.
So think about this for a second. You've got hundreds of pages of documents, maybe PDFs, interview transcripts, research papers, and with just one command, you could turn all of that into a perfectly structured spreadsheet. We're talking no more copying and pasting, no more manual formatting. It sounds like straight-up magic, right? Well, it's a very real feature you can use today.
For as long as I can remember, this has been the painful reality for so many of us. You have to read everything, you're painstakingly highlighting and copying pasting, and then you're wrestling with all the formatting in your spreadsheet program. This slide just lays it out perfectly. The new way? You just upload your stuff, tell the AI what you're looking for, and boom, you get a clean table. The difference in effort is just, well, it's night and day.
So what is this incredibly powerful new tool? It's time to get formally introduced to the hero of our story, the thing at the heart of this whole productivity shift. NotebookLM Data Tables.
So what it really boils down to is this. Data Tables is a feature inside NotebookLM that's designed to take all that messy, unstructured text from your documents, your notes, even websites, and just automatically wrangle it into organized tables. It's basically built to handle the chaos so you don't have to.
Now this right here, this is the secret sauce. This is what makes the feature so incredibly powerful. It's not just some simple tool that scrapes text. No, it's powered by Gemini 3. And what that means is the AI can actually understand context. It can reason about the information it's seeing. It knows the difference between a price and a product ID, even if they're right next to each other. That is a massive, massive leap forward for this kind of tech.
Okay, so how does this thing actually pull it off? Let's break down the core features that make this intelligent data magic happen. It really comes down to 4 key powers. First, you've got automatic extraction. It just finds things like names, dates, and numbers on its own. Second, custom prompting. This is where you get to tell it exactly what columns you want. Third is multi-source synthesis, which means it can pull info from dozens of different documents at the same time. And finally, a one-click export straight to Google Sheets. So simple.
And check out this example of just how easy that custom prompting is. You can literally just write a sentence, just like you're talking to a person, describing the table you want, and the AI just builds it. The more specific you are, the better your table gets. You're basically having a conversation with your data.
And the whole workflow, it's ridiculously simple. You upload your files. You open the Studio panel. You select Data Table. You write your prompt to tell it what columns you need, and then you export. That's it. 5 easy steps from a messy pile of docs to a beautiful, finished spreadsheet.
Okay, so that's the how. But what about the why? How does this actually help you in the real world? Let's talk about the concrete ways you can use this to get your work done faster and, honestly, a whole lot smarter.
And believe me, the applications for this are all over the map. You've got business teams building competitor analysis tables or pulling action items right out of meeting notes. Researchers can mash up data from dozens of academic papers into a single view. Heck, even students and content creators can use it to organize their projects. It's a genuine Swiss Army knife for information.
And the impact here is not small. We're not talking about saving a few minutes here and there. Just think about a business team. Instead of one person spending their entire Monday morning digging through a dozen meeting transcripts to find action items, this tool does it in seconds. That can easily add up to 5, maybe even more, hours of boring, tedious work saved every single week. That's time you get back to actually think and strategize instead of just copying and pasting.
Now, as amazing as all this sounds, it's not perfect. Not yet anyway. So to give you the full picture, let's talk about the fine print. What you need to know about its current limitations and who can actually get their hands on it.
So right now, as of early 2026, there are a couple of quirks you should know about. First, you can't edit the tables directly inside NotebookLM. If you want to make a change, you just have to run a new prompt. Also, those super handy links that take you back to where the info came from, they only become clickable after you export the table to Google Sheets. Minor stuff, but good to know.
There are also a couple of different tiers when it comes to how many documents you can throw at it at once. The free tier is actually really generous. It lets you pull from up to 50 sources at a time. But for those of you with some seriously heavy-duty research needs, the paid tier bumps that all the way up to 300 sources. But here is the absolute best part. This isn't some exclusive beta test for a lucky few. As of January 2026, data tables are available to all NotebookLM users everywhere. It's out there, ready for you to try right now.
So we end on this thought. This tool basically gives your documents a voice. It turns them from static, silent pages into a dynamic database you can talk to. And it really makes you wonder, if your documents could talk, what amazing, time-saving tables would they build for you?